Your home should be the place where you and your family feel safest. While alarm systems and lighting are important, your doors are the first physical barrier protecting your household. If your doors are outdated, damaged, or poorly sealed, they may not provide the level of protection your family deserves. For homeowners in Loves Park, upgrading to replacement doors is one of the most effective ways to strengthen home security and create greater peace of mind. Why older doors can become a security risk over time. Doors naturally experience wear and tear. Hinges may loosen, frames can weaken, and materials may begin to deteriorate. In many Loves Park homes, older doors may not close securely or align properly with their locking mechanisms. Even small gaps or structural weaknesses can reduce a door's ability to resist force or tampering. Stronger materials for greater protection. Modern replacement doors are built with improved materials designed for durability and strength. For Loves Park families, this means choosing doors that resist impact and provide better structural integrity. A solid, well-constructed door acts as a dependable barrier between your home and the outside world. Reinforced frames make a difference. A secure door is only as strong as the frame supporting it. Weak or aging frames can compromise even the best door. Replacement door installation in Loves Park includes inspecting and reinforcing the surrounding frame. This added stability ensures the entire entry system works together to provide maximum protection. Advanced locking systems. Today's replacement doors often feature upgraded locking mechanisms that improve security. Multi-point locking systems and reinforced strike plates provide stronger resistance against forced entry. Loves Park homeowners benefit from modern hardware that enhances both security and reliability. Eliminating gaps and weak points. Gaps around older doors can create vulnerabilities, both for air leaks and security risks. New replacement doors are installed with precise measurements and tight seals. In Loves Park homes, this eliminates weak points and ensures the door fits securely within the opening. Improving visibility without sacrificing safety. Some replacement door designs include secure glass panels or reinforced viewing options. For Loves Park families, these features provide the ability to see who is at the door while maintaining safety. Modern materials ensure that security remains a top priority. Supporting family peace of mind. Security improvements are about more than hardware. They provide confidence and reassurance. Loves Park homeowners often feel more at ease knowing their entry points are reinforced with updated materials and professional installation. Reducing noise and enhancing privacy. A properly installed replacement door also improves sound insulation. While security is the main focus, Loves Park families may also appreciate the added benefit of a quieter indoor environment with fewer outside disruptions. Increasing property value and appeal. Homes with upgraded doors often appear more well-maintained and secure. Replacement doors in Loves Park properties enhance curb appeal while signaling thoughtful investment in safety and quality. Professional installation matters. Even the strongest door must be installed correctly to perform as intended. Professional installation ensures accurate alignment, secure fastening, and reliable sealing. For homeowners in Loves Park, this attention to detail guarantees that the door functions smoothly while providing dependable security. A smart investment in safety. Your family's safety is one of the most important aspects of homeownership. For families in Loves Park, replacement doors offer a practical and effective way to enhance home security. With stronger materials, reinforced frames, and advanced locking systems, new doors create a safer environment while improving comfort and appearance. Investing in replacement doors means investing in long-term protection and peace of mind for everyone inside your home.